All right, so last night we finished the registration form and inputs with FreeCodeCamp. I feel like I have a better understanding of the inputs. They're not as difficult as I once thought. There is a little more to them, but they are pretty much the same as Python, which I do have basic understanding of Python. Today we are going to do the Rothko painting. Here's a copy of that. And it's only 45 little sections for this course, so I do believe I'll be able to finish this today. I'll get it done and we'll upload a part of this video. I also added some lights and microphones because that was what was suggested to me from my past videos. I am taking your suggestions. I am listening to people. I actually kind of enjoy this. It's fun. I really like messing with the videos and trying to make things better and looking like from the first one to this one how much I've accomplished. I'm having fun with it as well as I'm learning and still working a full-time job as well as being a dad. So hopefully I can continue doing this. I am going to continue to try to upload each day for each course that I do complete. Try to do it for 30 days. This is video number 4. And I'm going to keep playing with it. And hopefully I'll get better and you guys can enjoy this content. And maybe I can add other things to it. I got the new Pixel watch, so I was thinking about maybe doing a review on that because I do kind of like it, but there's things that I don't. I'm really into tech, so we could see. If you want to see more content, play with it. The more I try and the more I do, the more I'll get better. Thank you. All right, so we finished the Rothko painting. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know what I was doing. It's a lot of design and art, and I'm not real good at that, but I am starting to understand like how to input it into CSS, and I feel like that's the basis of what they're trying to teach me, because I caught myself like being told what I needed to do and just putting it in and not having to look. But as far as designing that painting, that was different. Next, we're going to be doing the Learn CSS Flex box by building a photo gallery. I'm probably going to start that today because I actually finished a Rothko painting pretty early. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start on this next one. Or just to keep the momentum going, you know. But yeah, so here's what that looks like. And I will be back with another video soon. Thank you.